Hey guys, welcome to my channel Analyze Anime. This is my first YouTube video, so I hope you like it, and if you think this is a good video, so please like, comment and subscribe to get my videos notification as fast as I upload. This is a video about what if Goku sent to Xenos world and Vegeta was sent to Virasa's world. I think this is going to be a interesting video. So without any ado, let's begin the video. Year 737 in a planet called Planet Vegeta. A Saiyan baby was born. His name Kakarot. He is classified as a low class Saiyan because of his power level of 2. His father is a low class warrior known as Bardock. Came to the planet due to the order of the tyrant called Frieza. He knows what going to happen, so he immediately go to his house and told his wife Guinea that they had to send their child somewhere else. Guinea did not want to, but it was because of his child's safety, so she agreed with it. But it was too late. Frieza already came to the planet. Seeing this, Bardock gave Guinea a coordinate and told her to send Kakarot to Earth, and he is going to try for buy some time for Kakarot to leave. But Bardock did not manage to hold Frieza very longer. So Frieza able to throw a massive destruction ball to the planet and it consumed the whole planet. Leaving the atmosphere of the planet, Kakarot's space pod caught in the shockwave of the explosion and it threw the pod in the large black hole. Because of it, Kakarot's pod crash landed in front of a massive palace. We all know this is the palace of Zeno. Hearing the crash landing, Grand Priest came out of the palace and take a good look of it. After seeing a unconscious Saiyan baby in there, he take him to the Zeno. He saw how this baby came to this world by his staff. Zeno, after seeing the baby, he kinda like him and think that he is alone for a long time and he is no one to play with. So Zeno intentionally told Grand Priest to keep the child and train him to be a multidimensional guardian. Hearing this, Grand Priest agreed. Zeno also told him that his name is so difficult to say, so he is going to call him Goku. This is for plot. I hope you guys do not mind. So let's continue. I'm assuming many people now thinking that how Vegeta is going to Virasa's planet. So let's go to the flashback. When Frieza about to destroy the planet, Vegeta going to his planet after completing a mission and he saw Frieza making a large destructive ball to destroy his planet. So he stopped there and tried to leave the side, but the destructive shockwave forced him to a black hole and he landed on a strange looking palace where a large tree is standing in middle. Yes, this is Viras's planet. Hmm, don't knowing where is he started walking towards the large tree. After some time, he met with a weird looking guy and there a big ring hovering over his neck. Vegeta asked with his attitude tone, "Who are you?" Hearing this, Whis looked at Vegeta and introduced himself. Whis intrigued that a mortal came to their planet. No mortal came to this planet before. So, after seeing his whole story of Vegeta on his staff, Whis asked him to train because Viras told him before going to sleep that he is going to fight a Super Saiyan god after his sleep. So he ordered Whis to find a Super Saiyan god to fight him. But there are no Super Saiyan god alive. So he wanted to make Vegeta a Super Saiyan god. to rival Virus. Hearing the proposal, Vegeta laughs and thinks that he is far stronger than him because the scouter did not find any power level at all. So he assumed that he is a low class. But we seeing this release some of his power and the pressure throw Vegeta 100 meters away. After seeing this pressure, he thought this guy is no joke. So he agreed the training proposal because he wanted to kill Frieza who destroy his whole planet. Oh, one thing that I forget to tell you that Goku lost his memory because of his crash landing. So he is a pure-hearted Saiyan now. So I think that is for today. If you guys wanted the next part of this what if, please comment right below and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my videos notification as fast as I upload. So bye bye.